Today's design, build, and engineering projects have to be fast and lean with no room for error. To be successful in this environment, service providers must be innovative in both their technology and their approach. I'm Christine Grail with Leica Geosystems. Joining us today on HXGN TV to talk about these trends are Joe Romano and Stephen Ellis from Langan. Welcome, gentlemen.
Welcome.
Thank you.
So, Joe, tell us a little bit about Langan.
So Christine, Langan is a 44-year-old consulting firm headquartered in New Jersey, fully homegrown. Today we have 28 offices in the United States and 6 international locations. The firm was founded as a geotechnical firm, and it was founded with the need to bring something different to your client. And that culture is very inept into our firm. It's embedded in how we think. It's very entrepreneurial. So today, founded as a geotechnical firm, the rest of the services all came from that foundation, and all came from a need to understand our clients' desires, their end goal, and truly partnering with them. Langan and Leica enjoy a great relationship and a great partnership. That's how we embark on all our clients, with our clients. It's understanding their end goal and then adding value, which can come many ways. I mean, value can be financial, value can be a relationship that you bring to somebody, value can be technology, whether it's hard technology or cultural technology. But I think you have to understand your client and help them get to their goal to be successful. And I think in our 45 years, we've done that quite well.
Absolutely. And what are some of the biggest needs that your clients have right now?
Today, it's about time. It's always been that way, but I think as technology has shortened and compressed a lot of what we do, time is more valuable than ever. Land is expensive. A lot of our clients, if not mostly all our clients, are private developers. So understanding the things that drive their business, when they can open a store, when they can open an office building, when a hospital can open, all adds value. And if you can compress that time through the use of technology, whether it's innovative technology or whether it's current technology that you just master well, that's an added to your client.
Absolutely. Now, Langan has been very strategic in investing in technology to meet your clients' needs. Tell me a little bit about, first of all, how Langan fits into the picture when it comes to innovation.
So at Langan, as Joe mentioned, we're a homegrown firm that's very innovative. Our board of directors and senior management, which Joe is part of, sees a vision of implementing solutions and technology and innovation to support the overall goal of our client responsiveness and success of our projects. So to that end, we offer a multimodal solution for acquisition of data using Leica products. We've got traditional survey crews using Leica tools. We've got static scanners. We've got mobile mapping systems, and we've got 2 drones. So we can deploy for a client and use all those technologies in a single mobilization, saving them cost and time, and providing a full operating picture of their entire solution, or their entire environment, their entire infrastructure, whatever the project might be. So by also doing that, we've leveraged the people we've hired and we've brought on board, and the people internal that we've used as we've implemented these new solutions. Mobile mapping is new to Langan. It's only 2 years old. So when I came on board to lead the mobile mapping push, we leveraged existing strengths in Leica solutions and Cyclone and LiDAR implementations. But then we saw that we needed someone that understood the trajectories and working with the IMUs and the way the systems work. So we hired key individuals. And as we moved into the drone world, we knew that to bring everything together, all of our data and our finished products, we needed someone that came from that space, someone that had some photogrammetry experience. And so we've made those commitments at the corporate level to build the best team that we can with those industry experts to provide accuracy and quality in all of our deliverables, whatever they might be, to our clients.
Sure, and absolutely understanding those client needs and then having that technology behind you, having the expertise, allows you to really strategically go in and use exactly what you need to meet the needs of those clients.
To add on what Steve said, I mean, I think he's right on target. And it's not just about that technology. You asked what the clients want. I think they want a relationship. And that model that Steve laid out runs through every discipline we offer, whether it's civil, environmental, geotech, surveying, landscape architecture. There's a relationship that a client can go to one person and have a one-stop shop solution.
Absolutely, and that's a good point that you make, that it's not necessarily about the technology, especially for the clients. It's about the relationships. It's also about the information that you are able to provide to them. Why is the information that Langan provides so valuable?
Well, first of all, it's we don't sell widgets. We don't make widgets. We don't sell TVs. We sell our staff, our capabilities, and we provide that quality, those services to our clients. At the end of the day, we provide deliverables. We provide video imagery. We provide CAD files and GIS data. But we really purpose that single acquisition strategy to hit all the different aspects. Some of our clients have to contract 4 different people to do video logging and to do design grade work or survey grade work, and then their operations and maintenance, they have to go back out and grab inventories for assets for that type of stuff, where we can bring all of our technology and our innovation and our skill sets and our staff to that client and replace 5 or 6 different contracts or 5 or 6 different times you're paying for someone to drive down that same piece of road or to look at that same property. We can do it with a single source, and that provides value. It's time savings, it's cost savings, and since we're doing it all together, we can provide that accuracy and that quality, and they can use that data many times. And that's where the real value is in that proposition to our clients. Why go with this kind of a solution, or why go with our solutions? It's because of the way we position all of our resources, all of our methodologies to a single focus for every client.
Absolutely. Now, with the technologies that you use, is there a criteria that you use to evaluate what technologies to invest in? Is there something that, maybe it's quality, maybe it's confidence, maybe it's a combination of those things?
From my seat, it is about controlling the process. It's all about condensing that time for your client. If your client's opening a store to sell retail, like we said earlier, you want to condense that. And the Langan's model of controlling those steps, as Steve spoke about, is really critical. The more steps that we can control for our client, the more we can compress that time, understand their needs, and give them a successful project. So that evaluation, it's pretty interesting. Langan is a very entrepreneurial firm. I started the survey group because I wanted to be a surveyor. We didn't have a survey group. We got the mobile mapper because we thought it was the next thing in that evolution. And that freedom and that entrepreneurial spirit that runs throughout our culture really makes the firm unique. So if you asked if there's one thing, is it a spreadsheet or a checklist? No, it's not. It's we can evaluate it based on our understanding of our clients and our 45-year history of being in the service.
Absolutely, that makes sense. What can clients expect to see from Langan in the future? Where are you guys headed?
I think they'll still see the same that they've always seen. We're a partner to them, to their success and their failures. I mean, let's face it, not everything goes well. There's times when there's a failure. That's far and few between. I think if you come to Langan, you're going to get a relationship. You're going to get a person that understands what you want. And if we don't put the right person in front of you, we'll find that right person. I'm very proud to say I'm a partner and an owner of a firm where more than half the people spend almost their whole career. It's a very unique place. We do not have a lot of turnover. We were founded on 3 key elements, and that's technical excellence, practical experience, and client responsiveness. And everybody in the firm believes that if you do those 3 things well, everything will just fall in place. We are not a firm that has a 50-year plan. We are not a firm that we want to be 2,000 people or the biggest of anything. We want to be successful, provide a great home for our staff, and a great partnership with our clients and our vendors, as with Legan.
Absolutely. You've certainly done that so far. Good luck to you in the future.
Thank you.
Wish you all the best. Thank you, Joe. Thank you, Steve. For more information about Langan, please visit langan.com. You can find additional episodes of HXGN TV at hxgntv.com. Thank you for watching.